To make a cutout zoom, I'm gonna show you how to do it on this example. I'm gonna cut out this dog with these glasses right here. Duplicate your clip, put it right on top. Reduce the volume to 0, mute it, or just extract the audio and delete. Select the duplicated clip, go to mask, add mask and choose any shape. I'm gonna go for rectangle. This is what I usually use. Then you can just adjust the mask window so it will fit for the cutout you want to realize. Go to basic and add the first keyframe, then change the position of the cursor line and add another keyframe. Now use the slider here under scale to make the cutout bigger and change the position so it's in the middle or anywhere you want to have it. This will be saved automatically under this position and the second keyframe. If you now select the first keyframe, copy it and insert it right next to the second keyframe, you already created a zoom in and out. If you copy and paste the second keyframe right next to it, you added a small pause after zooming in. If you want to have some natural zooming in acceleration effect, just right click on the keyframes and select ease out or ease in, and that's it.